Welcome back. CPI, Congress, AAP all have only one demand. Union External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj should quit. The opposition demands a clear say from Sushma and statement of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Youth Congress on Monday protested near Sushma Swaraj's residence over allegations that she facilitated former Indian Premier League chief Lalit Modi's travel to Portugal for his wife's treatment last year. Lalit Modi has been evading ED's probe in the IPL case.
This shows that the BJP is not really serious about issues of corruption or conflict of interest. Well, in my view, she should resign, but that is for the BJP people to decide.
The point is humanitarian ground, even perfectly justifiable humanitarian ground. But will any government for a person who's charged under criminal, charges, can that person's, relief to that person be considered on humanitarian?
देश की बहुत बड़ी राजनेता है, इसमें कौन पीछे से इन्वॉल्व है, किसने उनको इस बात के लिए कहा गया, तो क्योंकि इतना बड़ा निर्णय बिना पीएमओ के संज्ञान में हुआ होगा, ये माना नहीं जा सकता। निश्चित रूप से इतना बड़ा निर्णय लेना, इतनी बड़ी कॉल लेना, यदि सुषमा जी ने निजी हैसियत से लिया तो भी वो बताएं कि निजी हैसियत से लिया, अपराध उनका है, गलती उनसे हुई हो सकती है, मनुष्य से गलती हो सकती है, लेकिन अगर इसमें कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति सम्मिलित है जिसमें सुषमा जी के कंधे का इस्तेमाल करके अपने स्कोर सेट किए जा रहे हैं भाजपा के अंतर्गत, जो कि पहले दिन से भारतीय जनता पार्टी में चल रहा है।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सिद्धांत है कि जो अपना हो वो चाहे जो कुछ भी करे, अपराध करे या कुछ भी करे, उसको बचाना चाहिए, उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए, और जो उनका अपना नहीं है उसके ऊपर पूरी कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए।
ठीक है, ये ऑफिशियली अगर आया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर आप और होम मिनिस्टर मिलके अगर ये दिए हैं ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड पे, तो ऐसे कितने केसेस में आपने दिया है? ह्यूमैनिटेरियन ग्राउंड्स कानून को ओवरलुक नहीं करते।
The High Court is hearing final arguments in the matter of ban against Sri Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik from entering in the state of Goa. Pramod Mutalik in his petition has challenged the ban imposed by Goa government, claiming it to be a violation of his fundamental right. Goa government is defending imposition of ban in larger public interest. Sri Ram Seni Chief Pramod Mutalik is before the High Court against banning his entry in Goa. During the hearing before the High Court on Monday, the public prosecutor contended that ban imposed by Goa government against Mutalik is in the larger public interest. The public prosecutor also opposed Mutalik's contention that banning him from entering Goa is violation of fundamental right. Goa government contended that fundamental right of an individual is not about larger public law and order. We cannot allow him to create law and order problem in the state under the name of fundamental rights. Counsel for Pramod Mutalik contended that Goa government's claim that Mutalik's visit can create law and order problem is baseless, as there is not a single criminal case filed against him in the state of Goa. Mutalik's counsel also challenged legality of continuous ban on Mutalik. Counsel further contended that Mutalik wants to visit Goa to visit temples and ashram and he has no political agenda. The hearing will continue on Tuesday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. The Daboli Airport runway will be made operational for normal schedule from Monday midnight. The airport director informed that total of 104 to 106 aircraft will be landing and departing from Tuesday. It is disclosed that Indian Navy has lifted restrictions during afternoon session from 3 to 4 and also on Tuesdays and Thursdays. There was restriction on use of runway for almost 2 months for recarpeting and resurfacing work.
मैक्सिमम 10 years लाइफ होना चाहिए, कभी कभी कम भी हो जाता है, थोड़ा गारंटी ज़्यादा होता है, 7-8 साल में फिर करना पड़ेंगे। अल्टीमेटली अच्छा काम किया होगा, सो वी एक्सपेक्ट दैट देयर नॉट एनी प्रॉब्लम फॉर ऑपरेशंस। फ्लाइट कल से आज मिडनाइट से समर शेड्यूल जो पहले था, रिकारपेटिंग के पहले अप्रैल में जो शेड्यूल था वो आज मिडनाइट से फिर चालू होगा। अभी बिकॉज ऑफ रिकारपेटिंग 8 घंटा ऑपरेशन की वजह से फ्लाइट्स कम हुआ था, 38 अराइवल 38 डिपार्चर हुआ था। अभी कल से वो 52 53 अराइवल्स 52 53 डिपार्चर्स हो जाएंगे। सो नंबर ऑफ फ्लाइट्स बढ़ जाएंगे, टूरिज्म भी बढ़ेगा, लोग आना जाना भी अच्छा होगा। बिफोर रिकारपेटिंग ऑफ रनवे नेवी का कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शंस था कमर्शियल फ्लाइट्स के लिए, सुबह 4.5 घंटा 8:30 to 1 PM एंड दोपहर में 1 घंटा 3 to 4 PM एंड 2 days in a week 7:30 to 9:30 in the evening. इसी में अभी मेरे पास जो इन्फॉर्मेशन और नोटम जो लिया गया है, सो 8:30 to 1 PM के बीच में जो रिस्ट्रिक्शन है वो ऐसा ही रहने वाला है. दैट मीन्स कमर्शियल फ्लाइट्स को परमिट नहीं करेंगे लैंड करने के लिए वो टाइम पे 8:30 to 1 PM बीच में. बट 3 to 4 PM में जो पहले रिस्ट्रिक्शन था वो तो हटाया है नेवी ने.
CCP contract workers have reiterated their demand to raise minimum daily wages to 409 rupees a day. Union also demands regularization of 333 workers. A union leader has already met CM and Panji MLA over this issue. Union is happy with CM's response but annoyed with the CCP commissioner's attitude. Union claimed that commissioner is trying to misguide the authorities on workers' agitation.
This is not a strike or a shutdown, but it's CCP workers' timely reminder of their demands. They demand disbursement of 8 days' salary which the corporation has kept on hold of those workers who had been on strike in December. Workers demand 409 rupees minimum wage per day, regularization of 333 workers and CM's intervention in the matter.
Salary of a 409 and whatever that will be agreed between us. Okay, one. And second will be the regularization of a 333 workmen as already decided time and again. आम्ही फाटल्या स्ट्रायकातली 8 दिसाची जी सॅलरी जी आमकां रायटफुली कायद्यान मेळपाक जाय पळय आसा त्याचो उल्लेख केलो. 8 दिसाचे स्ट्रायकाचे लिगल स्ट्रायकाचे आमचे अर्न सॅलरीज जो पर्यंत आमकां कॉर्पोरेशन घालची ना तो पर्यंत हो प्रश्न जो आसा मिटपाचो ना.
Union slammed CCP commissioner.
कमिशनर संजीत रॉड्रिक्स जो आसा त्यांनी सगळे पार्ट घातली त्यांनी आणि जे स्पिरिट जे असले मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी दवरलेले ते सगळे त्यांच्यानी स्पॉइल केले की 8 दिसाचो प्रश्न आसा न्ही तो आम्ही हेचे कडेन व्हरुया कोर्टान व्हरुया आम्ही तो बिन एबियन्स दवरुया फुडाराक पळोवया बी अशें म्हटले आणि फुडाराक दवरलेले प्रश्न जे आसा तो केन्नाच घेना.
Union held a meeting with the CCP on Monday evening, but it was not conclusive.
When our strike is legal, when it is a justified one, and when it was forced upon the workmen by the commissioner mainly, who was supposed to guide the mayor and other corporators, where does the question of this, we not getting our rightful earned salaries arises?
Devendra Gaonkar and Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.